Okay, let's go get the babies. What are you doing? Why's my door shut? No, when did you shut it? Somebody untied it. Oh, that's because we're doing all the moving stuff around. Trying to get everything situated. Let's go see if we can get the babies up. But yeah, we're doing a lot of stuff. See, trying to clear this area out. Come on, babies. Come on, everybody. Holy crap, where's everybody at? Come on. Here come the ducks. Come on, where's the rest of y'all? Come on. See, we're moving all the tent around and everything else. Come on. I don't see none of my chickens or anything. What? Yeah, I know. Yes, I know. There's some babies in there. Come on, everybody. Come on. Lord have mercy, they ain't listening. They hard-headed, I'm telling you. What y'all doing? Come on. Yeah, it's kind of late. Well, not really. But yeah, I'll be moving that into the pen in there. Because I'm letting all my babies go. I got to get this place cleaned up. This place looks like a tornado hit it. Come on! Where are you going? Boy, y'all just being hard hit today. I wonder if somebody fed them without my knowledge. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, they're heading back to the water. Oh, these hard hit. Ooh, boy. I'm gonna shoot you. Better come on. Yeah, I know. Hold on, let me go get your brothers and sisters. What y'all doing? Where y'all going? Yeah, I know. What are y'all doing? Where's your brother and sister? Don't you go. Don't you do it. Don't you. Bah. You little buttholes. Come on. Get off the bank. Get over here. Stay on the other side of the bank. Apparently they don't want to come up yet. Because there ain't nobody. Oh, well, them two say they. Heck yeah, I won't believe it. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, duck. Come on. Let me get out y'all's way. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, you little brats. Come on. Come on. Look. Come on. Come on, let's go. Where's everybody else at? Come on. Come on, babies. Yeah, I see you. Turk. Come on. This way. No, not that way. Y'all know where to go. Come on. Yeah, just stay out my feet. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on, duck. Well, stay out my way, turkey. Oh, okay. Oh, you just hush. You're supposed to be inside here, not over there. Okay, come on. I gotta go get them. Apparently they didn't get the notice that they're supposed to be coming in. I don't know. Maybe somebody didn't send out the memo. And I don't know why they're over there. They know where to go. Come on. Come on, Mom. Come on. Come on, Mom. Go. Yeah, you know where to go. Come on. Yes, I know. I love you too. Y'all running late today. Come on. No, don't you stop. Oh, I know. Quack. Okay. Yeah, I decided to do a video of me putting them up. But yeah, like 104 right now with the heat index, so we just stopped and said the hell we'd jump on it again tomorrow. Excuse the the H word, but it's honest God truth. Trying to get everything cleaned up. But boy, my goodness, we should have done that crap during the winter time. I don't know who. What are you doing in there? Come on now. What are y'all doing? Is there anybody else in here? It sure sounds like it. Might be a big old snake. Alright. Let's go feed them. Give them the last little bit of feed. Well, not the last little bit of feed. Last bit of feed for the night. But yeah, trying to get rid of these tires. I mean, they're good tires. Yeah, I don't know where all these tires keep popping up from either. One day I had 3, the next day I had 10. So I'm just going to make them into planters. That's it. Okay. Everybody's in here. What the? Everybody's here. The ducks I'm not really worried about. They can fly, but they don't fly. But the roosters and the chickens, they all fly in and out as they want to. And I put them up at night. So, but yeah, everybody's here. Everybody's accounted for. Sorry, y'all. You have a good day. God bless. Stay healthy. And stay inside if you can. Stay hydrated. Gee whiz, stay hydrated. Definitely stay hydrated.